Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rocco Miller here again. Today we are going to be talking about Mercari. Mercari is a selling app that's been around for a few years now. It is very similar to eBay and Letgo, but it's kind of a mixture of both. Mercari isn't a major selling app. Like, I wouldn't say you should create a large scale business like on eBay where you're drop shipping or sending out tons and tons of items. This is more towards the small consumer, towards the average Joe like myself. So if you want to go on there and buy something, it's very easy. You can offer people what you want to pay and see if they accept that offer or not. And with selling, which I streamlined the whole process, I recorded everything from listing till I got paid. So just to show you guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump over onto the computer and I'm going to show you that whole process. So here we are on the Mercari website. I already signed into my account, so obviously if you don't have an account, you will have to sign up and make an account before you can start selling on Mercari. One of my favorite things about Mercari is the easiness of listing an item. It is very, very simple. There's no hidden fees with your listings or anything like that. They charge a flat 10% fee to list and sell on their site or app. eBay also charges a 10% fee, but you also get hit with the 2.9% PayPal fee with eBay. So you wind up paying close to 13%. So instead, save that 3%, put it in your own pocket. And everything on eBay that I've listed in the last, let's say, 6 to 8 months doesn't sell very fast, while Mercari is a lot faster for me. Honestly, this game sold within 1 hour time of me listing it. So I fill out all the information here, added my photos, title, brand, condition, console, genre, ships from my zip code 11385, which is Glendale, Queens, the shipping amount, and I set my price, which was $49. I was just looking to sell this item as fast as possible. I was not looking to make exactly 60 bucks. So within no time at all, I started receiving offers. One offer, another offer for $41, another offer for $45, then again another offer for $46.
1 hour later,
I finally made my sale. I sold it for the $49 that I listed it for. Here's a picture of that. And just to show you guys, I'll jump back onto the page, go into my account and show you guys how the actual page looks. So you'll have it on the action required. You'll have your order status. You'll see Pokemon Shield, how much the shipping is, the selling fees, how much I'm making, the date purchased, and who it's going to. And on this page, you can also print out your shipping label. So after this, I packed it up, shipped it out, sent it, and waited. So the package arrived a few days later. It was right before Thanksgiving. Then I had my order status, was able to rate the buyer because they rated me. And after that, I received my money of $39.11, which was awesome, nice and quick, painless. Okay guys, this is gonna wrap up the video. Mercari is a great app, buying or selling. In the description below, you'll find a link. If you sign up using that link, you will get $10 off your first purchase on Mercari. This can come in handy if you want to save some money for the holidays and buy somebody a present. If you don't want to use the link and you want to sign up anyway, it's a great app. Once again, app, website, whichever way you use it, it is awesome. It is really awesome, and it is gaining a lot of steam, especially in like the trading card game and collectible community, because of the offering feature where you can offer what you want to pay. And selling as well is just quick. It's very quick. As you saw, I sold my game within an hour and made my 40 bucks within a week and transferred it to my bank. On the website, just a FYI, it says 3 to 5 days, but every time I've transferred directly to my bank, I've received it within 2 business days, no later. Sometimes it was 1 business day. So that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Or should I say, smash that like button for me. And I would really appreciate it. Any support as a new YouTuber and new content creator. Any support helps to make future videos. All right, guys, this is Rocco Miller signing out. Peace.